Hey guys, we are leaving Costa Rica. Since I retired last year, we've been living here in Costa Rica and also traveling through Ecuador. And we decided to make a move, and we bought a one-way ticket to Bangkok, Thailand. And we're gonna go through Southeast Asia and travel. And I thought we'd show you the process of us leaving Costa Rica here and going to Thailand. And also we've been doing a layover in Munich. So hopefully get some food in the airport in Munich, Germany. But in the meantime, go ahead and follow us along as we go to Bangkok, Thailand. We'll see you there. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, we made it to Dulles Airport here in Washington D.C. We'll be flying out at 6 o'clock this evening, and we'll be flying to Munich. And then from there, we have about 4 or 5 hour layover, and then we'll fly over to Bangkok. Alright, dinner is served. Looks like a couscous salad. And got the stir-fried noodles here. Also got a bun. And looks like a cookie. Let's take a taste test of this noodle. There you go, noodle. Try some couscous salad. Ooh, actually that's really good. And we got some butter chicken with cilantro rice. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. Actually, a big piece of chicken in here. Oh, I love butter chicken. That's really good. It's probably the best plane food I've had on a plane. Actually, United did a good job to get this butter chicken. Yum. Put the bun here. Put a little butter on here. Dip it in my butter chicken. Really nice. Okay, a little bit of white wine with dinner. A little white wine. I have no idea what this is. Looks like cookie. Give it a taste. Cookie time. That's really good. Birthday cake cookie. Alright, breakfast time. And we got some yogurt. Yogurt. I think strawberry. About an hour away, close to Munich. It's got a frosting on the bottom there. Yeah. Oh, good. A little cinnamon flavor. Wait.
I wanna believe that I can reach inside your heart into where it bleeds.
Okay, we made it to Munich, Germany, and we came in from Dulles, and it took about 8-hour flight. Now we're here, we got about another 3-4 hour layover, and then we're gonna go ahead and grab some German food before we head out to Bangkok. So let's go check out the food over here. Hello.
Can you get the Munich style sausage? The sausage Munich style sausage?
This one, yes.
Oh yeah, okay.
So it's a 3 Munich style sausage? Oh, white sausage, okay.
White sauce.
Okay, yeah.
Coming with beer.
Oh,
really?
nice.
Yes, beer or soft drink, it's up to you.
Okay, I'll try this.
Yeah. Why not? Awesome. Hi.
What's the beer, she said?
Yeah, lager or with beer?
Lager or wheat?
We'll do a wheat. Yeah.
Nice.
We can fly, yeah, like there's no tomorrow.
Okay guys, when you're in Germany, you have to have sausage, pretzel, and of course, a beer. And it was a set package, so I didn't know what I was getting, and I didn't know how big a beer. 10:30 in the morning, have a beer. There you go. Oh my God, it's so good. Wow. Yeah. Before the flight, I'll have this beer. All right, and we got some mustard here. Now we have mustard with the sausage and ooh, look at that mustard. That's awesome. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna try the sausage without the mustard first. Just try the sausage by itself.
They said this is the Munich style.
Munich style sausage? Yeah. Let's give this a try. Oh wow. Very light, really tender. Really good sausage. I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard to this one. There you go, look at that mustard. That's awesome. Oh wow, there you go. Oh wow. The mustard is a little bit sweet. Has a hint of sweetness. Great mustard though. Oh, it's so good. All right, let me go ahead and try the pretzel. There you go. German pretzel. Been looking forward to eating this. All right, try mustard. Really good. Wow. This is so good. Oh my goodness. I'm getting a second wind to travel, having this good food. And beer. Yeah. Oh my God. Starting this food adventure early here in Germany. Oh, so good.
Took some time, but we pointed out that tomorrow isn't here right now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. I see it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this.
Oh, look at this setup. It's a good looking meal. We got chicken, mashed potatoes, and veggies. We have a brownie. We have crackers. We have couscous with some shrimp on it. We have a bun, roll, shrimp, couscous. Look at that. Got a chocolate brownie on here. A little bit of wine, white wine. So I'm trying the pork here. Is it pork? Pork and rice. Let's try this out first. Mushrooms, pork, rice. Alright, it's pork and rice. Let's give this a try. Oh wow, that's really good.
Yeah?
It's like pepper pork, mushrooms. The sauce is really good. It's like the big shiitake mushrooms. Really good. Try some of this couscous, the shrimp. Oh, refreshing. Try some chicken. Oh, really tender. The sauce is really good. What's that? Is that cheese? It's like cream cheese. Ooh. Let's give this a try.
Cream cheese.
Pretty good. Yeah, cream cheese. A little bit of wine for dinner. Ooh, a little bit more dry. And we have pretzel bun. Try pretzel bun. A little butter on there. Better. Try this brownie. Not too bad. Thai Airways breakfast. Scrambled eggs and sausage. And then we also got a croissant. And we got some mixed fruit. Mixed fruit. It's got some blueberry yogurt. And also got some strawberry jam for the croissant. Nice. Taste these eggs. There's that cheese on there. Those were good.
Yeah?
Potato wedge. There you go. Sausage. Oh yeah. That's really good. Little apple here. Good apple. Great breakfast. There's some croissant here with a little bit of jam and butter. Really good croissant. Just got coffee. Oh, great breakfast. Thai Airways. Breakfast, meals, everything's really good. Better than other airplane food we've had, so way to go, Thai Airways. That's some strawberry yogurt. Trade my wife. Their yogurt is really good too. Really good.
You're full of confidence and cheap color. You're showing off your moves and hope for us.
All right, guys, we are here in Bangkok, Thailand. Welcome. Here it is. We're still at the airport. We actually got in about 5:30 in the morning, so we have a little bit of time before we check into our hotel. So we thought kind of hang out here for a little bit, grab maybe a cup of coffee, and get kind of settled. But hope you guys are enjoying this video, and also be sure to subscribe and follow us along as we show you Bangkok. First time being in here in Bangkok, so we're excited not only for being here, but also trying the foods and also kind of exploring Bangkok. So yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and check into our hotel, and then we'll go ahead and start the new day. And I'll give you guys another video here later on, give me the first impression of what I think here of Bangkok. So until then, we'll see you guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.